Mount Pleasant FA avenged their 2-1 loss to Harbour View a week ago with a 4-1 win on Wednesday in their rescheduled Ray and FA Jamaica Premier League match at Drax Hall. Cavalier and Treasure Beach failed to break down each other. More in this report.
Only a week ago, Harbour View were over the moon with a 2-1 win over Mount Pleasant FA. But the Caribbean champions didn't have to wait long to avenge that defeat. The game was only 4 minutes old when Raheem Edwards had the ball in the net as Mount Pleasant hit the front. The Stars of the East plunged the hole, but by the 76th minute, the defense was leaking again, Edwards making it 2-0. Another 2 goals from Shaquille Bradford in the 84th and Samuel Taylor in the 88th minutes killed off the contest as Mount Pleasant were 4-0 up. The consistent Trayvon Reed got Harbour View's consolation on the stroke of full time. Mount Pleasant are now second on 44 points, 4 behind leaders Montego Bay United with a game in hand. Harbour View are 13th on 22 points.
Last week we didn't turn up to play, hence the result. Despite numerous issues, you could blame, point finger here, there, and everywhere. But at the end of the day, it is what took place on the field after 90 minutes.
Meanwhile, the other game on the day, Treasure Beach, ended 1-1 with defending champions Cavalier at Stex. Raheem Porter gave the hosts the lead in the 33rd minute before Cavalier got the equalizer in minute 66, courtesy of Jerome McCleary.
It's a point forward to what we want to achieve. I mean, we would have wanted 3, but we didn't get 3. We take 1 and we keep moving.
We are disappointed. We believe we should have got those 3 points. We just didn't execute properly at the end of the day.
Treasure Beach remained 12th on 23 points, while Cavalier moved to 7th on 30 points. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.